The needle depth setting determines the proper distance the needle travels in order to form a stitch. If the machine is out of adjustment, poor stitch formation, skipped stitches, or excessive thread breaks will result. Now, I want to show you how to check and adjust the needle depth on the machine. Here are the tools you'll need: a Phillips head screwdriver, a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench, a 3 millimeter Allen wrench, and you may want to have a flashlight. First, position the sewing head to needle 2. Turn off the power to your machine. Remove the bobbin case from the hook assembly. Remove this rear top cover from the machine by removing these 8 Phillips head screws. This will give you access to the degree wheel. Rotate the degree wheel to 0 degrees. Look to see if the lower half of the needle eye is visible inside the hook basket. This is the part that the bobbin case snaps into. You should see 1/2 to 3/4 of the needle eye inside the basket. This is what the needle looks like when it's out of position. If the needle eye looks correct, no adjustments are necessary. You may have a different problem such as hook timing. If you see not enough or too much of the eye, you will need to remove the front cover of the sewing head. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove these 2 screws and pull the thread guide cover off. Using the 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench, remove the throat plate. Loosen the 2 screws that fasten the needle bar driver fixing base with a 3 millimeter Allen wrench. As an added note, if you ever need to replace the needle bar driver, just completely remove these same 2 screws and take out the driver. Move the fixing base up or down to adjust the needle depth. Once you have the needle depth positioned properly, tighten the screws, then check the needle again to be sure it didn't slip while the screws were tightened. Replace the covers and test the machine. If the problem continues to occur, you may have a different problem such as hook timing.